money with Robot Spirit Guide, AI-powered insights from diverse religious texts. Robot Spirit Guide is an innovative AI-powered app designed to provide users with profound insights and understanding from a range of religious books. Harnessing advanced technologies such as AI, machine learning, and BCI solutions, the app offers detailed answers to user questions based on their chosen religious perspective. With a diverse selection of faiths to choose from, users can explore and gain guidance aligned with their chosen tradition, making it a valuable tool for seekers, scholars, and students alike. Pros of the Robot Spirit Guide. Number 1. AI-powered religious wisdom. Receive in-depth answers and insights from religious texts through the app's AI-driven guidance. Number 2. Diverse faith traditions. Explore various faiths, from Christianity and Judaism to Buddhism, Islam, and atheism, broadening your understanding of different beliefs. Number 3. Cutting-edge technology. Benefit from the app's utilization of advanced software, machine learning, and brain-computer interface solutions for a reliable and innovative experience. Number 4. Inclusivity and user suggestions. Participate in the inclusivity of the app by suggesting new faiths for inclusion, fostering an environment of openness and diversity. Number 5. Professional Development Team. Developed by AI Studio, a team of experts specializing in software, machine learning, and BCI solutions, ensuring high-quality content and functionality. Number 6. Additional offerings. Explore other projects and solutions by scheduling a call with AI Studio, expanding your horizons beyond the app. Cons of the Robot Spirit Guide. Number 1. Interpretation variability. As with any AI-driven tool, interpretations of religious texts may not always align perfectly with individual beliefs or expectations. Number 2. Limited personalization. The app provides insights based on selected faiths but may not address highly personalized or complex spiritual inquiries. Earning money with Robot Spirit Guide. Number 1. Premium subscriptions. Offer enhanced features, access to a wider range of religious texts, or ad-free experience through subscription tiers. Number 2. In-app purchases. Provide exclusive content, guided meditation sessions, or in-depth study guides for specific religious traditions. Number 3. Collaboration with scholars. Partner with religious scholars, experts, or authors to create premium content or conduct online workshops. Number 4. Sponsored content. Collaborate with faith-based organizations for sponsored content, promoting their resources or events to users. Number 5. User-generated content. Allow users to contribute their insights, interpretations, or articles for a collaborative learning experience. Disclaimer. When exploring monetization strategies, prioritize maintaining the app's integrity, respect for diverse beliefs, and the authenticity of religious teachings. For more videos like this, kindly subscribe my channel.